So let us look at the pre-market plan that we had. So the first idea was we may first come down and hit the 5509 areas in somewhere in this box. The second idea was that we may not come down first and we may actually keep going up, and we may actually come and hit somewhere near the 5538 to the 5540 area, right? And that is exactly what happened. We also was of the opinion that there can be a TR, and we had some kind of a TR. So if you remember at the beginning of the week, I had said that the days of straight 40 points or straight 50 points are done, and now we are in a situation where you will get 20 points to the upside, 20 points to the downside, and the whole day will continue like that, right? And that is exactly what is happening. So let us take a look at how we traded the day. Let us go to the 5 minute chart and find out what were the trades that we took. So let us first take a look at the plan that we had in the morning. So we were thinking that either we will come down to this buy zone. Once we come down to this buy zone, we will have to see whether this breaks down or we keep going up from there. The other option was that we start the beginning of the day with a bullish tone and then keep going up. However, I had a bearish tone at the beginning of the day. I'll tell you the reason for that. The other possibility was that we stay in a TR, or else we come down here and then we start going back again. So these were the four different paths that we were taking a look at. So let us take a look how we traded the day. Let me bring the EMA in because that was one of the essential items that I had today. So what I did was I shorted right at the open. The reasons were that we had such a nice bearish move. I was expecting it to come and hit, and we also open gapped up, right? So I was hoping to see the COY. Now when these three candles happened, I was looking for if we could come and hit the 15 minutes ORB at the 5112 level, but that never happened, and most of the bars were moving sideways, and I was just moving my stop loss continuously, and finally both my contracts came out above bar 6, and when bar 7 happened, this was the news bar that happened, I came out of all my contracts above bar 6. I took long here, and I came out of my first position at the top of bar 1, and then the other one was actually at break even. I was not holding because I was not confident how far this can move up. Although we were above bar 1, but see, we were not getting any kind of follow throughs here. So I was waiting to see what happens. This news bar was very big, so that was preventing me from taking any shots in this area. So I was just sitting on my hands at this point of time. We had so many bounces from the 20 EMA, but none of the bars were getting follow throughs, right? We were getting disconnected every time. Every time we were bouncing from here, we were getting another bearish bar. Now, as soon as it closed below this bar number 33, I shorted under bar number 33, and I had around three contracts here. My first target was the 18 area again. I came out of one of my contracts here. I was thinking that we will go and see the 5507. I took out another contract at the 15-minute ORB when it came down here at 5512, and my third contract I was out above candle number 44. Now if you see, this was a very nice candle. This was my high 1, this was my high 2, right from a buy area. I did not still buy it here because this channel was very tight, and I was thinking that it may actually come down. But when we went above this, went above the EMA again, and then we tried to retest, and then this bar happened, bar number 50. I went long above bar number 50, and then my target was actually 36. Now why 36? If you look at the 15 minutes ORB on the upside, if you look at the 15 minutes ORB on the upside, 36.25 is your target, right? So I came out of all my contracts at 36, and then this was again another bull channel, tight bull channel. We had a two-legged pullback. We came below the channel, and then we went inside and created another extreme, and then we fell back down. So those were the few trades that we took today. One was shorting at bar number 1, number 2 was going long above bar 7, number 3 was going long above bar 21, and then we shorted below bar number 33, and then I went long above bar number 52. I mean, this was a very good candle to go long. I am not saying this was not a good place to go long. This was the second entry high, but I did not want to go long after this steady move down before I saw some more proof that okay, the market was actually trying to move up. So those were the trades of the day. I will be back sometime in the evening with the plan for tomorrow and what we are expecting tomorrow. Again, the market is in a wonderful bullish state. There is nothing bearish about it at this point of time. So it is in a trading range, and it will continue to be in the same trading range as long as there is not enough force to push it out of that range, right? And I'm not expecting that is going to happen before Thursday. So with that, I will end this call here. Please like, share, comment on the video, and subscribe to the channel and click on the notification icon. Have a great rest of the evening, guys. I will see you soon. Bye.